What's up guys, here in this video I'm going to show you how to install a currency app on your Android phone. So this is the currency app and it is super useful. I basically use it to basically check different currencies and doing different conversions and so forth, right? So let me show you how to install it. All you have to do guys is simply open up the Play Store on your phone, and on the bottom there you type in the currency app. So you just simple type in currency or currency converter, and you will see a ton of different currency converter there, right? So but the correct name for this one is Easy Currency Converter. That's the app name. So this is the one that I use. This is the one that I found super useful for me. There's so many of them, but that's how you easily go ahead. So you'll find the Easy Currency Converter there, and you can just easily go ahead and type that in. So you can type in currency converter, or you can just simply go ahead and type in the Easy Currency Converter. You do a search and you will find them, and you can just simply choose that one there, which is the Easy Currency Converter. And that's it. You also have a Easy Currency Converter Pro, but of course that's a Pro. It's really up to you, but that's it. Very easy and very simple, guys.